In this video I want to give you an overview of ViziGen-Page and show you how you create projects and how you then use them to create websites. So a project basically equates to a website because the purpose of the project is to create a website, but a project is also a container for all of the design information that's needed to build that website. So if we start ViziGen-Page and open a project from its file, we'll take a look at it. So if you click on the Globals tab and then click on the root node of the tree view on the left, the project form is displayed on the right. And in the second section, Local File System, this is where you specify the project folder. This is a folder on your local computer, and it's into this folder that the project file is saved, and it's also where all of the website files are built. In the second section, you would specify the FTP details that ViziGen-Page would need to upload all of your website files from your local computer, from the project folder, to your web server. Now, if you're new to web design and you don't have a web server, then you don't have to worry. You can learn how to use ViziGen-Page and build your website in the project folder, look at it, test it in a web browser, and it's only at the point in time when you're ready to publish your website on the internet that you need to provide these details. So if we take a look at the tree view on the left hand side, this is a place where you would build the basic things that the website is going to be constructed from. So for example, colors, background images, text styles, paragraph styles, etc. Now these are all very simple. So for example, name color, you simply specify a name and a color. Text styles, you specify things like font name, font size, text color, line height, etc. The idea here is that you specify these things over here on the Globals tab, use them throughout the website design, and then if at any time in the future you need to change these details, you simply come back here, change them here, and then the changes are carried right the way through the whole design. So the first thing that you would do after creating these basic things is to create a template. And if we go to the Template Designer tab, you can see the template that's being used on this website. So you create these templates using graphical means. So for example, you can move things around just using the mouse. So I'll put that back where it was, X40, Y73. Okay, so after creating templates, you would then create web pages, which you would do initially on the folder tree. So this represents the folder structure of your website. Pages is a folder, apartments is a web page, facilities is a web page, and web pages have to be based on templates. So if we take a look at this archaeology web page, then flip between the template and the web page, you can see the relationship between the two. So having created your web pages, once you're happy with your design, you would then go to the Website Files tab and simply click on the Generate button, and this will generate your website in your local file system in the project folder. So if we now go to that project folder with our web browser, File, Open File, this is the project folder. This is the home page of the website, and this is the website that gets built by that project. But remember, we're still on the local file system. So if we go back to the Website Files tab, when you want to publish your website to your web server, having entered the FTP details, all you do is click on the start button and it will automatically upload all of the files that are needed to your web server. And that's about it.